You and me, hanging from the willow tree, quietly drifting in the open breeze. Suddenly, the wind blows you away from me. Now I see we were never meant to be. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why. Whoa, dance until the dawn.
To start this neon Valentine's look off, I prep my eyes using the MAC paint pot in Painterly. And while I'm doing that, I'm just going to say a huge sorry that this video did not go up yesterday. I had so many problems with the footage, but it's all sorted now and there's going to be 2 videos up today. So to start this look, I use a neon pink eyeshadow and I put this in the crease. I blend this out really far because this eye look is really bold. I then go in with a purple eyeshadow and concentrate that more into the crease. I then go into a darker purple eyeshadow to make it really smoky on the corners and in the crease. Using a concealer and a really detailed eyeshadow brush, I then create a cut crease. While that is still wet, I apply some neon pink eyeshadow on the inner third of my eye, and then in the centre third a bright red corally colour, and then on the outer third a purple. I then go into that really dark purple that we used earlier and blend that on the outer corner to make it really smoky. Once I've done that, I get a makeup wipe and wipe this side of my eye to make it into a wing, and then I apply my base. I then recreate what we did on the lid onto the bottom lash line, so I go in with that neon pink, the purple and the red. Now it's time for the hearts on the cheeks, so I first stick on my heart stickers and then I go over them with the eyeshadow that I want. So I decided that I want to make them pink and red, and they're going to alternate in colour. I did go over them with a darker eyeshadow in each colour just around the edge to try and make them pop out a little bit more. And then the coolest bit, I get my tweezers and peel off the stickers, and I just love this bit, it's so satisfying. I then put on some mascara and used a liquid lipstick by Urban Decay in Big Bang. For my brows I used a pink face paint and I made them go into the eyeshadow a little bit, and I really liked how that looked. The lashes I used are by Tinker Beauty and they're in the style 621. To finish this look off, I put on a wig and these earrings that I got from Primark. I really hope you like this video. If you do, make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below so I know. And also, if you do not want to miss any more makeup tutorials, because I still have 2 more Valentine's looks that are going to be coming up, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss any of them. Again, I'm so sorry this didn't go up yesterday, but make sure you're following me on Instagram because that is where I can update you to if anything's going wrong or to when I'm uploading and just things like that. My name is @Brooke.Ellis_ and it'll be on the screen now and linked in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!